part of the head office support team here at Revive.
And this is Revive Under the Spotlight.
What is your favourite thing we've ever done as a brand?
I'd say I like how we've built a brand on honesty, trust, and quality. Like when a customer calls us, they know they're going to get a good service from people who do genuinely care.
The annual conferences that the head office team put on for the franchise network really give us a good opportunity to come together as a brand.
Actually, I enjoyed the all-staff meeting that we had last year, with Tux and head office all together.
Just getting all the head office staff and all the technicians together in one place where we could just sort of go over our results and sort of celebrate the individual successes that we had. I think that was a really enjoyable event and really came across well to everyone involved.
And like the charity stuff that we do as well, the stuff we do with Mind and Kebsy, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I think that's all stuff that people don't necessarily see on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, we've been very successful in our space as well, which is really, really good in terms of business growth, but it's all the extra little bits that we do as well.
I think it's coming together, I think sometimes like with the conferences, I think, it's a once a year thing, but it's nice to have everybody come together, franchisees, head office. And it's just a nice way to kind of let your hair down, celebrate the year that was.